What makes you excited about work?
It's better if we work it in a company or environment that we love and we have a fit, culture fit, people fit, professional fit. I wish for next years have freedom to choose what technologies and the groups and the other types of professions. It is important.
So basically, what excites you about work is the possibility of being quote unquote free to make decisions and try new technologies and processes, right?
Yes, especially freedom. Freedom
Freedom.
related to choose because
Choose.
it
Yeah.
is very difficult in the companies.
It almost never
How
happens.
freedom is important.
Please repeat after me. Choose
Choose,
and choice.
choice.